Yo, what's up? I'm not even going anywhere, I'm just doing this for the vlog. So, for today's video, we don't have any plans, so we just go with the flow. Not sure if you can see, but that's a GTR right there. The orange color. You know, sometimes I wonder what these rich people do for a living. Right now, I'm editing the thumbnail for tomorrow's video. Done. Such a boring day, isn't it? I haven't played my guitar for a long time actually. I think I want to practice my guitar. Your fingers should not touch the other side of the string, and that's the most hard part for me. Today's lunch. Goat meatball and rasam. Lunch. As usual, it's raining right now. Alright, if you are not following my Instagram, do follow. That's the username. If you follow me and you watch my story, I will ask you guys if you want me to answer any question. So every day I will pick up one question and I'll try my best to answer it. Alright. I think I'm going to need a name for this session right here. I mean, like, you guys could help me to name this session. Suggest something on the comment if you have anything. Alright, the first question for this session is going to be how to sleep well at night. Alright, the secret to sleep well at night is to not sleep in the evening. Sleeping in the evening makes you energized, and in return you won't be able to sleep at night. But what if you don't sleep at evening but you are still not sleepy at night? So if in that case, what you should do is that in the evening, in the morning, in the day, you can do some activity that makes your body tired. Like you can go for a walk or you can go for a run. By doing that, you can make yourself quite tired. And also, if you are very tired, don't try to sleep at the day, in the day. Well, if you did some sort of tiring activity at the day, surely you will be able to sleep early at night, and then you will be able to wake up early at the day, if that's what you're going for. You know, one thing about daily vlog is that there is no content. My life is damn boring. In the past, I have done some daily vlogs and I'm sure you guys have seen some of it. Most of my vlogs, there won't be any content. That's why I didn't do daily vlog till now. But you guys wanted it, I'm doing it. Alright, I'm here just for a quick walk around my taman. All my home electricity, not all mine, all the people's home electricity is carried by all these towers right here. That's a lot of towers. We are just a normal human being, but we managed to build all these things, all the houses, all the towers, all the electricity. I don't know, it just feels awesome to know that we managed to transform this earth. I have to make sure no one is watching me when I'm vlogging in public. Alright, the time right now is 7:10. My daily vlog just started 10 minutes ago. I hope it's going to be a good journey. Not sure how long I will last, but let's see. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so that I could do more vlogs. Alright, I think that's it for today's video. Bye bye.